Kate Wasley was born in Perth, Australia on April 16, 1994. Body-positive model and one half of the social media initiative called Any Body. Their campaign encourages self-love and aims to empower women regardless of their body shape. She and Dana Patterson are both body-positive models. She and fellow Aussie model Georgia Gibbs launched their project on International Women's Day in 2017. On Popular Bio, she is one of the successful models. She has ranked on the list of those famous people who were born on April 16, 1994. She is one of the richest model who was born in Australia. She also has a position among the list of most popular models. Kate Wasley is one of the famous people in our database with the age of 25 years old. Kate Wasley estimated net worth, salary, income, cars, lifestyles and many more details have been updated below. Let's check. How rich is Kate Wasley in 2019 to 2020? According to Wikipedia, Forbes, IMDb and various online resources, the famous model Kate Wasley's net worth is $1 to $5 million at the age of 25 years old. She earned the money being a professional model. She is from Australia. Kate Wasley keeps his personal and love life private. Check back often as we will continue to update this page with new relationship details. Let's take a look at Kate Wasley's past relationships, ex-girlfriends, and previous hookups. Kate Wasley prefers not to tell the details of marital status and divorce. Dating is to describe a stage in a person's life when he or she is actively pursuing romantic relationships with different people. If two unmarried celebrities are seen in public together, they are often described as dating, which means they were seen in public together, and it is not clear whether they are merely friends, exploring a more intimate relationship, or are romantically involved.